Well, I guess the whales have awoken from their awaken. They're awake right now. They woke up from their slumber in between Christmas and New Year's, and they are out there stacking up Shiba Inu coin exactly like we anticipated they would do. And because of it, the price of Shiba Inu coin is actually rising higher. Good news across the board right now. We have got a lot of positive catalysts on the horizon. We're going to be talking about it in this video because we're running into a little level of resistance right now. That's okay. In this 2,400 point per coin level, it was support, and now it's had a little level of resistance. When it breaks through, we might have a little trouble at about 25, 26, and then the gains are on. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we're going to be going over price action on Shiba Inu coin. We're going to be going over Shiba Inu coin and a whale jumping into, or I guess, what does this say? Snapping up 220 billion Shiba Inu coin. Now, no, I don't think that this makes $1 Shiba Inu coin possible, but the gains are definitely possible. But if you guys haven't been diversifying, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu coin hitting some all-time highs and stuff like that, and that's about a 4x gain. That makes everybody very excited because they've been able to accumulate Shiba Inu coin over the last couple of years. But if you guys are looking for tiny little meme coins with huge communities to the tune of 539,000 followers out on their X account, Pepe Meme. Check these guys out. You got a link for them down in the description below. They're building an entire ecosystem full of games, launch pads, NFTs, all of this. And you can see here that if you're looking for a 4x gain, right? Check this out. It's a Solana token, so I'm just going to show you what it looks like with Solana. 10 Solana right now, about $2,100. The 10 Solana on launch day in Pepe Meme, $9,500. So, now these are incredible gains, and I do want to say this. Anytime you see prices like this, anytime you see gains like this, people are going to want to take their profits. A lot of you guys might be sitting there thinking, dude, I'm going to buy this coin, and I'm going to just sit on it, and it's going to go to $1 million. Okay, it might, but I truly do expect red candles on launch day as people are booking massive profits. Now, the only thing that you have to do is if you want to take the chance, if you think that you can go in there and you can book your profits before somebody else can book their profits, this could be a beyond phenomenal opportunity to go out and make a huge gain. All it takes is you guys have to pay attention and do that. Some tips, some tricks, whatever. If it's a Solana token, you can increase your fee. Right? The more fee you pay, the faster your transaction will execute. And of course, you can go out there and front run the same way Mev bots go out there and front run. You can also increase your slippage. So if you and some other guy are out there trading at the same speed, and he, I guess, fulfills his trade faster or fulfills his trade first, maybe you clicked a second earlier, I don't know. If the price is moving around, your trade can still execute. So please consider all of that. Take a look at Pepe Meme down in the comments or the pinned comment and the description. But let's talk about Shiba Inu coin. 220 billion snapped up by this whale. And of course, we'll go back to the price action in a second. It says SHIB has been on a tear since the start of 2025, and it has been. The entire crypto market's been doing very good for the last 3-4 days here. Benefiting from a broad crypto market rally ahead of the arrival of pro-crypto T-Man administration in the White House on January 20th. And guys, I don't know if January 20th is going to be some sort of a speculative event or not. What I do know is that as this administration comes in, embraces, regulates, and helps grow blockchain technology in crypto community, we should see gains like we have never seen before. SHIB's price was just above 2,400 points per coin, up 14% over the last 3 days, but a recent jump in whale activity suggests more upside could be in store this month. I like it. Per look on chain, a whale withdrew 220 billion, not trillion, billion SHIB tokens worth $4.6 million after being dormant for 5 months earlier this week. Whales are often viewed as smart money, buying when prices are favorable, risk reward is good, and the likelihood of a near-term rally is high. Now, that's just the way that it appears. I don't think that these whales are any smarter than you and I. I don't think that these whales have any information that you and I don't have. What I do think, though, is they can actually move markets. Okay, $4 million is a ton of money. It's not necessarily a ton of money compared to the overall market cap of Shiba Inu coin at 13-14 billion, but it is a lot of money, and it's influential money. So let's say that there was a whale to go out there and buy $4, $5, $10, $50 million worth of Shiba Inu coin. People take notice of that. Clearly, articles are being written about it. And when people take notice of it, they react. And a lot of people react by going out and buying as well. So it might appear as these guys are smart or they know something because they make a huge purchase and then the price tends to go higher. Well, that's because they make a huge purchase. People see that and they also buy in, pushing that price higher. So just keep that in mind. Don't believe that these whales are some sort of psychic or anything like that, but they do have market moving potential. Shiba Inu coin chart analysis also suggests more upside. I love it. We'll go back to the chart in a second here. Chart analysis also suggests more upside for Shiba Inu coin's price in the weekend and months ahead. In the past 2 weeks, SHIB has found strong support at its uptrend from the summer of 2024 lows. It also recently saw a strong bounce from the 200-day moving average, or exponent. I don't know if they had another typo over here. I don't know what a DMA is. 200-day moving average is what I assume. Last month, and on Friday, rose back to the key resistance around 2,400 points per coin. Simple chart analysis thus suggests a recovery back to December highs in the 3,300 point per coin range is in the cards. So let's take a look at this. Shiba Inu coin is bouncing nicely. We have been watching this ascending trend line, and you know what? We can go over here as well and see it since we've got it charted. We've been watching this ascending trend line for the last couple of months now. It is continuing to hit higher lows, higher highs, and this channel is widening, simply meaning that volatility is increasing. Now, as the upside continues, as volatility continues to increase, we expect Shiba Inu coin is simply running into a little resistance where it previously held support. Once it breaks this level, I truly do expect that Shiba Inu coin is going to be running up to the next resistance. Now, that resistance is either going to come, there's going to be a little at 26 area, maybe a little at 28, but the main resistance, 3,500 points per coin, has historically been one of the strongest levels of resistance for Shiba Inu coin. So that's the horizontal level. If that is broken, the current ascending channel, that's probably going to end up being around 3,800 points per coin. Guys, if those levels are broken and we don't get hung up at 45, where we got held up in March of 2024, Shiba Inu coin could very quickly be ripping to all-time highs or even better, which is why I think it's so important to accumulate now. It's so important to accumulate before Shiba Inu coin rips up to these all-time highs, because that's when everybody else is going to be getting excited. Therefore, I'm buying in now. I'm loading up on crypto now, ahead of the curve, ahead of the game, so that when they pour in, I make money. Now, you guys can do the same thing. You can clearly do it out on Coinbase, Crypto.com, any of the major exchanges. But if you want to trade on leverage, check out the KSX exchange and the BitUnix exchange. You guys have links for them down in the description below. Excellent place on BitUnix to trade up to 125x leverage, down to 1x leverage. These guys also have copy trading, where you earn 10% of all of your followers' profits, and bot trading starting Q1 of this year. KSX exchange, by far the best selection of meme coins I've ever seen in the entire United States. You guys can scroll through. These guys got meme coins down to like $50,000 market cap. It's crazy. You can get them all in one place on a centralized exchange. Also, make sure to check out Wall Street Pepe. These guys are soaring, closing in on $41 million, just passed $41 million raised. Absolutely incredible. Links for it all down in the description. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.